So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add an outline to an image here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, make sure you guys have an image uploaded into your document. So for this demonstration, I just have a random stock photo from my computer that I'll be using for this example. So once that is done, if you want to add a border to it, it's fairly simple. Press in the image right here, go to the right hand side of your screen and go to where it says border right here. So this image right here, or this little sign with a red line through it, means that there actually is no border added. And as you can tell right here, no border is added. But if we were to go ahead and press on this drop down right here and go to either a line or a picture frame, I'll just press line for this demonstration right here. You can now go ahead and see that there's a black line or a black border around the image. So if you want to change the color of this, or if you want to change the style of this, you can sort of press on this drop down and select the following. As I mentioned before, you can change sort of the design right here. So if you want to maybe make it, dots around it, or maybe you want to go with this around it, whatever the case may be, you can make it also thicker or a little bit thinner. Up to you as well. And if you want to change the color right here, press on the color and then change it to whatever background you're looking for. So once that is done, we'll press right here. And as you can tell, there is a red outline or a red, frame around this picture here in the Pages document. So super simple, super easy, but this is how to add an outline to an image here in Pages. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.